Safety is Ontario Power Generation's #1 priority. As an operator of nuclear power plants, OPG has multiple safety systems in place to prevent a nuclear emergency from ever happening. But creating plans is only one part of preparing for an event. Equally important is the regular testing of those plans, procedures, and capabilities. In May of 2014, Ontario's emergency response capability was strengthened when OPG, municipal, provincial, and federal governments conducted a 3-day mock nuclear emergency exercise. 54 agencies participated, including the Canadian Nuclear Safety Commission, Health Canada, the Province of Ontario, Region of Durham, and Municipality of Clarington. The exercise tested OPG and participating agencies on their response to a simulated nuclear emergency and radioactive release at Darlington Nuclear. The exercise provided OPG the opportunity to test the effectiveness of our on-site response plans and the deployment and operation of the emergency mitigation equipment. OPG's Emergency Operations Centre was activated, as were operations centres at the local, regional, provincial, and federal level. As part of the scenario, the Province of Ontario ordered a simulated evacuation for local residents, and Durham Region activated the public alerting sirens around the station. Health agencies also participated, with the Ministry of Health and Long-Term Care deploying its Emergency Medical Assistance Team, which included a mobile hospital, and Lakeridge Health Bowmanville simulated treatment of a contaminated casualty. Durham Region established an Emergency Workers Centre and liaised with Durham Regional Police Services, who practiced their neighbourhood patrol. The federal government also enacted their response plans. Joint operations were conducted by field teams from federal and provincial responders, including teams from Natural Resources Canada that flew over the area with radiation detectors and shared survey information with the province to guide their decision-making. The exercise also tested communications with the public through a simulated media website that was used to provide news articles, radio broadcasts, and twice-daily news video broadcasts, which along with social media inserts made the exercise more realistic for participants. OPG created press releases and emergency bulletins that were posted and shared with other organizations to ensure coordination of public messaging. Exercise Unified Response demonstrated that there is an effective, coordinated response between OPG and the local, regional, provincial, and federal governments and agencies with defined roles in nuclear emergency planning. The lessons learned will be used to enhance the current capability of every nuclear response organization to respond to a nuclear emergency, improving public safety today and throughout the license term.